Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how to use GlideQuery to insert or create records. In this session, we learn how to update records using GlideQuery. For that, I'm using incident table as an example here. So let's open incident table first. Let's take any random record and update that record using GlideQuery. So here I am updating this record's short description using GlideQuery. So this will be an example scenario. So we need background scripts to execute GlideQuery first. So here we have to write new GlideQuery of incident table. And as we have discussed in our earlier videos, when we have started GlideQuery sessions, we need to write dot where to apply filter. So here I'm taking records sysID to query that record. So for that, we need to write dot where of sysID and the sysID of that particular record. You can copy sysID from here, or you can copy from the URL. Just give it here. And we have dot update method. As we have used dot insert method to insert record, we are using dot update here to update the record in GlideQuery. Okay, so the same way you have to give the JavaScript object details here. So I'm updating short description. Let's take short description backend name. The field name is short underscore description and use it here. And update with any custom message. I'm updating it as record updated using GlideQuery. Okay, so now this GlideQuery script queries the incident table with sysID this and updates its short description as record updated using GlideQuery. So let's execute this and check. Here you can see update incident 1. So and you can see here short description is record updated using GlideQuery. Just change that short description again and let's check. Just add 2 here. As you can see, it got updated using GlideQuery. So just execute this and check. As you can see, 2 is added here. So the same way, we can update multiple records using GlideQuery. For that, just go to incidents and just apply any filter here. I'm taking all in progress states incidents. So let's try. Here we have taken all in progress incidents as a filter. So let's apply same here. So which will make state is 2. Okay, which reflects where state 2 means all the in progress incident. Okay, so we have to update multiple records. We have update multiple method to update multiple records, and here I'm using the same short description field to update, and we'll write records updated using GlideQuery. Okay, so all these incidents short description will be replaced with this. Okay, so let's execute this and check. As you can see, all the incidents have been updated. So when you just refresh this window, all these short descriptions will be changed to records updated using GlideQuery. So this way you can use GlideQuery to update a single record or update multiple records. In our upcoming session, we will learn how to use this GlideQuery insert method or update method in real-time use cases and scenarios using business rules or any other service tests. So keep watching. Thank you.